Hello everybody, this is your stay-at-home grandmom, and I went to the dollar store. Yes, I did. Well, I went to try to go get the phones done, but anyway, I'm not even going to go into that right now. I'm going to eat and enjoy myself. But the girl was very nice. Oh well, this is what I got. I got this. I'm going to store some things in it upstairs in my room. Let me see what this is. I don't know who that is. I got some more tissue paper. I use tissue paper in my Mod Podge and everything. You know, my decoupage. And that was really nice. It's got all kinds of colors. Orange and gold and yellow. And really pretty. So I got that. I'm going to show you some paper that... Actually, I'll show it to you later. And my daughter gave me some lanterns for the paper. And they are really beautiful. I'm not going to use the lanterns, but got myself some chips. I think I have those now. And then I have some I got one of the slices, the fruit slices by Coastal Bay, and they're naturally and artificially flavored. So got one for my husband and one for me. That was it. Excuse me for that. And then I didn't get much, but I got enough. I got these. It's getting close to Friday. Put these up there. My husband's making chili in the crock pot for tomorrow. Then I got two more orange bins. I got two of those. And then I got some pepperoni. Pepperoni Jane's coming over tomorrow. That's orange. Got some monk tape. Got some more putty. Got some. I finally found one tacky glue by Arlene's, and this is good glue. And then I got some 4-in-1 airwick spray. I got 3 of these. I got a large one, but I was glad to get 3 of these. And then I got a couple of these because I'm going to do I have one up and I'll show it to you. Then the last thing I got was the cheese mix. Upside down. And I went to go get the phones straightened out, and the girl was very nice, but it was really my fault because I forgot to bring the I know the passcode, but the code for the old phones, the other phone company, I had it written down somewhere, but somehow it got lost. So I don't know. So I came home and I made hamburger for tonight. And that's what we're having. Hamburgers and Pepsi. I have, not every day, but if I do have it, I have Pepsi once a day. And I was thinking, hey, I'm going to be 70 years old. I don't know exactly when though. March the 31st, but I don't know the weeks and the time. And my girlfriend, whose birthday was on the same day as mine, we grew up together, and she would have it down to the hour of when our birthday was going to come. And we would start March the 1st and party all the way till March the 31st. Okay? Anybody's birthday after that, but there was 3 of us. My girlfriend Sandy, she's still living, and then my girlfriend Winnie, who died. But telling them, we would party from March the 1st to the 31st. Oh, we had a good time. Those were the days, my friend. But anyway, moving right along. Like I said, I have a hamburger. Well, cheeseburger, actually. And I'm really, really thankful about that. Cut up an onion and all that. And Kathy and I should be on tomorrow. We just have to write down a few things and do a few things. But the thing is, okay, if we wait and plan it out and everything, it kills what we want to do. We know we're not professionals, but we're doing it from the kitchen. And we're doing it for fun. We're going to get some sponsors and all that. So if we make a little bit of money, that's fine. But what I need to say is that we're going to have fun. We're going to cook. We're going to have fun. She's going to cook. I'm going to do a lot of the technical support, which technical support I know how to do. I'm going to have fun. I think I'm going to tear into these potato chips. Yeah, these are good. I got wise or some potatoes, I don't remember. And I really didn't like the sour cream and onions, the onion potato chips there, but I love these nuts. So, that's it. I'm going to continue to eat my mukbang, and I will talk to you all later. My Facebook Live is coming on at 8 o'clock. My Facebook is down in the comment section somewhere. And hope you come on. Even if you just come on to say hi. Don't have to buy anything, just come on and say hi. And next week, I'm going to have a raffle. Each week I'm going to have a raffle, so it's going to be fun too. So anyway, I love you all. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye. Don't forget to come on at 8 o'clock.